my name is Ben and welcome to my channel PressTube. Now in this video I'm going to make these World of Warcraft coins. How am I going to do this? Well, I'm gonna melt these empty bullet casings here in my melting furnace, and when they're molten I'm gonna pour them in a mold which I make with these 3D printed World of Warcraft coins. And I'm also giving away one of these coins at the end of this video, guys. Okay, now sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video so far. I'm gonna show you the result in just a moment. If you liked this video so far, please consider to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also ring that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. So as I told you in the beginning of this video, I will give away one of these coins, and that will be the best looking one, which is this. So first I'm gonna show you these three. They will not be on a giveaway, and then I will show you the one that will be given away. You can check the link in the description below. So this is the least good looking one, because you can see it has some imperfections here. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video. Then we have this one. I filled them with red epoxy. Then we have the third one. And then we have the one that will be on the giveaway. So this will be given away to one of you guys. Just check the link in the description below and you can participate in this giveaway. Okay, so if you have any other ideas which I should do in the future, let me know in the comments below, and good luck on the giveaway, everyone. Bye bye!